So finally today, we're gonna be installing the pink coilovers for the Mini Cooper. And right there. Stay tuned. So today we're gonna be installing the suspension to see if we can make it a little bit lower, because right now it's not that low. So plus we're gonna change the rims for black ones. Pretty much that's it. We put the tints a few days ago, not in the front, but let's get ready. So the car is already on jacks. Let's start taking out the wheels and mounting the babies. Woo. So pretty much already did the passenger side. Already did them. It was pretty easy. So now I'm gonna explain how to do the second side. Well, the other side. So you're gonna start with taking out these three on top, and then unplugging this cable, this one right here, and then I have this one right there. And I noticed that this one is broken, so it goes back behind here and right there. So I need to. I think that's wrong. I don't think that's supposed to be in this side. I don't think it like cross. It has to be straight. But who knows? I'm gonna check the other side. Maybe this goes over here. Who knows? Let's check. Well, things just got bad. I was using this to take out the nut, and look what happened. It broke. So there's no way I'm taking that out. I might have to buy this whole part right there. Turn. May have to buy all this because the shock is not gonna come out. I have to take out all this, take out the brake, the caliper, the rotor. I don't know what size is this, but so yeah. So let's do the back. But pretty much, well, if it doesn't break, you just take that out. But yeah. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna leave that for now because I can't do nothing with that right now, and I'm gonna start working on the rear. And when I get all the components for that, well, I'll put it all back together and then see how high I want it. I think the battery died when I was taking out the shocks and putting on the pink ones, and when I noticed it, it was already installed, so I wasn't gonna take it out to record that. So my bad. Finished putting that one on. Already put. So I don't think I'm gonna adjust the height because the front one, the nut broke, so I'll just wait until I finish that one to measure all of them, make them all the same height. But like when I took the wheel off And this is like, it's on the air. So pretty much there's 2 fingers here. When I put this car in the ground, it's gonna be super low. I don't want it that low, but still, I want it low. So it looks kind of nice. Shiny. Only the bad thing is when I adjust the softener and the hardener, I have to actually take out the spring from the top, adjust it, and put it back in. So pretty much I just put the backs in the middle. In the fronts, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm not gonna play with that, like here. I'm gonna put it in the middle. This, I'm not gonna play with this. It's not in the middle, but still, I'm not gonna play with that. And I forgot to put the one in the back and the other side. I put the chauffeur side. What's up, bro? That's my boy. So I put the one in this side. I put the one on this side, but this side, I don't know. So another thing I wanted to talk, I'm thinking about taking this engine out and putting something cool. I saw in Hannigan they have a, I think it was a V8, LS, but I don't want that. I want something like a V6, the Q4, I think it is, the Infinity. I think the 350Z also brings that engine, and or a 1J or a 2J. So I'm still thinking about it. So pretty much everything in the car, everything must go. So I think I have to cut and all these plastics. I'm gonna take all that away. But yeah, and pretty much I'm not gonna be using the suspension, but that's not gonna be now. That's maybe in the future. But yeah, maybe a 2J, a 1J, or a V6 of a Nissan. So yeah, I might have to cut the firewall. I might have to cut the firewall and make a new cross member and all that, but it's gonna be worth it. So I'm gonna wrap it now because, well, it's already nighttime and that guy has to go to sleep. So yeah, so well, I need to find that. Oh, and also I need to buy, I wonder if this one comes like the ones in the back, because I know I had to buy that and a few other things. My wife just got here. So pretty much, yeah. See you until next time. Okay.